in Narashino, facing the rising sun. They take flight and soar, just like they have done it 9 times in Japan. These are the Seagulls. In Timbo, as in all of Brazil, sport is a celebration, and American football is no exception. Strong roots are forming, with a promising future. These are the T-Rex.
Welcome to the new game in town, the World Football League.
Tonight we've got a great Sunday night matchup between our visitors and our home team.
Trying to get at each other.
Touchback, and it comes out. It's now coming out for their opening drive. They go play fake. Mahomes. Oh, he's going to take a shot right away. Oh, this is taken in. It's complete. And all the way down to the 35. A big play there on the 31, but that's the way to begin a game, to put someone back on their heels and announce that they plan to be aggressive. From the gun, it's Mahomes. Throwing middle, but it's incomplete. A run with the backup. This is Williams. And down right around the 32-yard line. 4 yards on team. In need of a conversion on third and. Working from the gun. Mahomes. And the Chargers rush is going to get there. Down he goes. They went with a nickel. They throw in an extra defensive back. Coverage.
You would expect a passing down. You bring in the nickel package. Just as you described, the coverage was excellent and allowed one of their linemen to end up getting to the quarterback.
Now he's on to punt. Their first drive.
Down passes. He's the same assertive leader. He is the man.
It's like you, assertive in our production meetings.
Well, especially when we're talking about ordering dinner, ordering
I was
snacks.
just going to say.
That's where I go.
And they'll get it up just short of the 45 at the 44. score. First play of the drive, a success, 19 yards. Well, CD a lot of times like to stop. We know that he's fast in the open field, but man, his first step is so quick too.
It is something, isn't it? Because you think of that type of speed getting to the perimeter and turning upfield, but also when you run those inside runs, he can get into the secondary so fast.
Again on first down. On the run, it's Kelly. Just bowling over tacklers. And he'll do a nice job here just to fight it.
Attribute as he takes care of his teammates, absorbs those blocks, and lets them run to the football.
Now a quick slant as the throw's complete. And goes into multiple tackles. And this will set them up nicely deep down in
Open field, they just want to get him the ball and let him do his thing.
From just inside the 10. First and goal, Kelly. And finding room to work, he's down to the 2.
Line to set the tone out.
This is Brown on the carry. Fights his way in, breaking it in 2 yards out. And they are able to strike first here on their opening drive.
Preparing for the fight. Now he gets it.
Force the punt in. You got to score.
And you guys see a fist pump to the sideline from Nate Kelly, don't you? Because he's turned into his bench. He's telling his team, this is how we prepare.
And the Chargers out of the lead. The drive summary that time. And by a 2-yard touchdown run. It's the kickoff unit as they run up and set this one away. This field a few yards in the end zone. And a couple of yards deep to a knee. He won't turn it back. But last time they had it, what steps, Charlie, do you think they have to take to make sure they don't do that again?
Well, let's just go to the football and make it a 2nd and 3, 2nd and manageable. Keep first downs that way. Keep moving the ball. Don't get mistakes.
It's the football. And up by the Chargers. And these guys will take over at the 14-yard line in the red zone. So the defense there, opportunistic.
Because so many times it's no matter what the offensive guy didn't do. Didn't secure the ball, didn't cover up. In this case, let's just give it to him where it belongs. Knocked it free, made a big play.
They'll be looking to duplicate that first drive, the one that got them that 7-0 lead.
Of course they would. Look, they're on the road. You make the other side pay. You know how we're going to go to the score.
And it's jumped out here to a quick 14-0 first quarter lead. They got the ball in great field position. Boom. In the end zone. The kick team's on the field now as they will send it away. Fielded about a yard deep. And all that work, but he stopped where he ultimately would have been. Now as they get set to take over, already down 2 touchdowns in the first half. This becomes a pretty important drive, doesn't it?
It certainly does. A lot of the down 2 touchdown drill, probably not very defense. I think that they stay with it. I think they'll abandon it just yet and try to generate some offense. Because I'm going to use the rest of this against them as this game goes on.
On third and long, it's Mahomes. And able to find Conley. And way past the 35 before he's taken down. From the gun, it's a run for Williams. Denzel
Crazy that they can run through. Didn't happen on that play.
second down now. It's Williams. A gain of 3 last minute. Play action. Now it's Mahomes. He's got it over the middle. He's got to the 30 before being taken down. Nothing to score. This is the NFL on EA Sports. They'll run out of the gun here. Williams. And he's got about 5 yards as he's taken down right at the 25.
And leaves creases like they were able to exploit right there.
On second down, Williams. They'll be brought down at the 21 after a pickup of 4.
You got 4. You got 4. Check.
They'll try and run for it. Here's Williams. And he will have the first down across the 20 to the 19-yard line. First and 10 at the 19. Now they'll throw with Mahomes. Firing quickly here, and that's complete. And they've got it inside the 10 at the 8.
Like one, and that's what we're seeing more and more coming into the league. Those guys who can run, make plays after the catch, and gain that additional yardage.
And using that speed there to turn it into a pretty nice little game. And scrimmage on second and goal. To throw, Mahomes. Intercepted. Picked off by Akeem Talib. He's at the 50. He's at the 40. Past the 20. 10. And he brings this one back. It's a pick 6.
Partner, what we just saw, that's a great example of a team that was really amped up. They've been playing so well, yet they didn't get oaked on defense and gave up a big play. Instead, they created their own big play with a pick 6. This one may be over.
Yeah, it's just the first half, but that lead has swelled to the point where you're wondering if it is over already. And it is now 21-0. So they'll get another shot on offense following that pick 6. And now the kick is away. This is fielded a couple yards deep. And he'll wind up about 4 yards shy of where he would have been. Time now for, and I guess the question, Charles, is what's the formula for keeping him better protected? Because as we see, the protection, it struggled.
And normally what you get is renewed determination. So maybe they've got to figure out how do they get rid of the ball faster to help out the offensive line so he doesn't get hit as much.
And we'll see if they can keep him off the ground now going forward. And
you better bring it. I'm letting you know right now, you better bring it.
now Williams. And he'll be tackled right on the chalk of the 45. Shotgun snap to Mahomes. Caught here by Conley. And he'll work it across midfield inside the 45. That's a 12-yard gain now on back-to-back plays.
Much more balance than this. Big-time run, big-time pass.
A 1-2 combination. Looked pretty good.
How about that? Let's see if they can continue to take that kind of a
First and 10 at the 43. Now here's Mahomes. Throw right side, complete to Williams.
runners, all right? And on running plays, runs after contact, we call that getting dirty yards. Tough, gritty.
Looking to throw again on second down. Mahomes. Oh, the rookie nearly had the pick. Probably should have had it.
Way better than what we're saying.
Interestingly, that throw was probably worse than the one he threw the interception on last drive, but fell incomplete. And the reinforcements come in as they're going to stop him behind the line. Offense as they get set to take possession. And right now they're saying, hey, let's keep this going. 2 drives, 2 touchdowns.
Yeah, can't ask for a better start than that. Can't.
On first down, it's gone. And this is caught. A spectacular one-handed grab there. The drive starting to become a little more ho-hum, aren't they?
Yeah, they really are. And I know that it sounds like we're taking credit away from the guys, and we don't mean that at all. They really work hard on this one-handed catch thing, but I think the gloves have to be helping in a big way.
A shotgun snap for gone. Throw left side, complete to Cup. And they bring him to the ground on the move on first down. Gone. Throw right side, going to be caught by Higbee. And he's in for a chair. 51 yards. But he got it and took it all the way home.
Really impressive run after the catch, wasn't it? That was really special by him. But let's face it, in today's NFL, those tight ends are often former wide receivers or maybe even sometimes bigger running backs. They just put them in a position to get a great matchup.
It's good, and they stretch their lead to 28-0 now. So they only needed 3 plays on that drive. And it winds up with a touchdown for long. The kickoff unit is out on the field, and they will send this one away. That'll be taken in the end zone. And no run back here. This will be a touchback, and it comes out to the 25-yard line.
Football. Some of these runs now may pop bigger later in the game because of the effects of running it. Sometimes people, after a while, they don't want to tackle him anymore, or they get that kind of game.
Yeah, might they get him the ball in some space in some different ways here.
Well, I know it goes against the instincts of the person catching the ball because all your correct time.
On first and 10, here's Mahomes. It's caught on the right side. Loss of 3 on that first down pass play. Now 2nd and 13. Williams. They're going to need to get up and set in a hurry. Looking to throw is Mahomes. He's got the hook up with Conley. 15 seconds to play in half number 1. Mahomes now to throw. Quick hitter here, it's complete. Nifty running this halftime here on.
Send you right back out to Brandon Godden.
So the Chargers will start the second half with the lead and the football as we're underway in the third quarter. This will be fielded at the 6. And he's up across the 25 and down at the 28-yard line. We'll go on offense now to start this third quarter. They built a good first half lead. Now they have a chance to add on to it.
And what are we going to do to attack us in the second half? Nice first half that we've had, guys, but be prepared for some change-ups. We're going to see them when we kick it off in the second half.
Catch good for 8 yards. Now a give, right side. It's Brown. And to the 42-yard line here and brought down.
But a running game can really benefit your team right now.
They'll run on first down. Kelly. And 3 yards there takes him to the 45.
Horse, that would help open up this offense and widen this margin, too.
On second down, it's Brown. And he'll be taken down, but not before he gets into enemy territory. At the 46. They'll run with Kelly. He takes this for about 6 down inside the 40. Oh, a design run for their wideout. And this won't be enough to pick up the first. They'll try and run for it with Kelly. Look at this. Middle of the field. A breakaway. Touchdown. Alice went out of reach.
Offensive linemen so used in this situation to having to pass block. All right, you're looking at what it is, third down. They don't care that it's third and whatever. They figure they're going to throw the ball. When you call a running play, I think that's...
Point after, right down the middle. And that will extend this big lead. So that drives 7 plays in length. And a long run there in the end to top it off. Set now to kick this one away, and off it goes. That's fielded in the end zone. And he won't return this one. He'll go down to a knee, and they'll start at the 25. Do you script coming out of the second?
Most of the time in the first half, you're scripting 12 to 16. I think in the second half, you're really scripting more like 8 to 10. Kind of a...
Mahomes going to throw. And this is going to be incomplete.
Who's going to fail 7 out of 10 times and still have a great year. In this case, you want perfection, but way better that it hits the ground instead of going to it.
Now Mahomes. And this is going to be incomplete. Fielded just inside the 20. Oh, and he's taken down here by his penalty flag. Is going to give a much better starting position.
I don't throw the flag, but you caused the play. You did it. I had to.
This is Kelly. Sheds a second man.
He's building up some momentum.
Simply as the flag is down on the tackle, and that's going to tack on 15 more. On the carry is Kelly. And some room to roam now. And they'll get this one to about the 20-yard line. Now Kelly. And he's only going to get a yard from the 20 to the 19. What remains here on a Sunday night. This is the National. They go with Brown. And they'll get to him just inside the 15. 3rd and 2. Goff. And he can't quite pick it. No interception so far. That probably should have been their first. But at least it's 4th down. And his kick is good. There's out is the kickoff unit as they run up and send this one away. That'll be taken in the end zone. And he won't return this one. He'll go down to a knee, and they'll start at the 25.
Move on to the next one.
Mahomes will lead the Chiefs up 1st and 10 at their 25-yard line. Williams. And from the 25, they work this to the 29. Again.
A very solid gain on that play.
From the 29, Mahomes. Man open left side, it's Williams. Down, and that leads to a tough 3rd down call. Throwing now is Mahomes. It's caught on the right side by Robinson. And he's going to be brought down. 44 on his first punt, and this is a good kick as well. Pulled in at the 24. 43-yard punt, but they get 9 back on the return.
That they know how rare it is to get a shutout. So take care of them, protect them, take care of the ball, move it downfield, run the clock down. You don't want your defense to have to go on the field.
They run with it. It's Kelly. And he stopped immediately there. They'll go again with Kelly. And some room to work. And he will get into the end zone. It's another touchdown. This
game is definitely over, but we do know something to add to their score, don't we?
Yeah, I don't know that they need to add any more right now, though. I'm just starting to think about those dinner plans tonight, my friend.
Well, you and I will be thinking about dinner plans, but we also know they're playing people are thinking, how can I get some more?
Extra point right down the middle, and the lead will swell by one more. The drive there only spanning 3 plays, and the finishing touch was that nice long run into the end. The kickoff team on the field now as they will send this one away. That's fielded in the end zone. And he won't return this one. He'll go down to a knee, and they'll start at the 25-yard line. Now, like one of the chief linemen might have moved. Off of the 3 and out. They're just looking for anything to grab onto right now, aren't they?
I'm wondering if someone's going to take charge in the huddle. You know, we always look to the quarterback, but sometimes it's another player on the team, a star, a veteran, someone with some...
Come up with offensively after having time to talk it over. Off the draw, here's Williams. And he's tackled a yard short of the marker. Good.
Behind his pads, bowled over a few people. Look at that one, right up the gut.
Saw through 3. Chargers able to get the pressure and bring him down.
He's taking a pretty good beating out there.
Yeah, and with the deficit, maybe not wanting to risk an injury. For Mahomes and the Chiefs. Here's Mahomes to throw. And it's intercepted. He's picked off near his own 48, and he's able to get it back to the 41-yard line.
So many times we end a game, and as we're recapping it, we're talking about what offenses did and how they won the game. Let's flip this one over. The defense, they ball game. That's why they're walking out of here with a victory.
And they're going to love to walk out of here with that as their final act, that interception. Good way for them to end it. On first down, it's Kelly. And he's going to get this down near the 30-yard line. This is Kelly. Jordan Luke, incredible.
Yeah, offense was in fine form. The defense threw the shutout at them. I think they worked in concert together. What I like about the offense was that they held the ball pretty well. You know, time of possession, exactly what they were looking for in this one, and that helped out their defense. Didn't have to be out there the entire time. So when you do that and you're out there fresh playing, up a little extra spring in your step, and it showed up in this one.
They had a ton of spring in their step. NFL. Good night, everybody.